Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2015 Nissan Frontier SV. I've always had kind of a soft spot for these trucks. I've never figured out why I like them so much, but I've always loved them. And we just got one in pre-owned, so I figured why don't we go ahead and check this one out. This one has just a tad over 79,000 miles, but it still looks brand new. We have a Line X bed coating back here. Really nice. Nice high quality, very durable cloth. Glacier white is the exterior color. This one has the 4-liter V6. Got all your owner's manual. Really nice. I say let's go ahead, take it out on the road. This generation of Frontier has been around for quite a long time. It's still being sold new to this day. And there's a good reason for that. This is a really nice truck. Lots of good features in here. Sirius XM radio, nice touchscreen unit. Well, oh no, not touchscreen, screen. It's not touchscreen, at least that I can find. I like the steering wheel too, nice and beefy, not overly featurized, and you just have your basic features that you'd use all the time. That's what a steering wheel should be. It should be used to steer. Four-liter V6 has a ton of torque. Really torquey motor, has a good amount of character to it. I'm a big fan of it for sure. Visibility is really good, and I do like this truck's manual mode. So you have 3, 2, and 1, and it locks it in that gear. It's awesome. Well, I should say limits it to that gear, so it won't shift beyond that gear. I'm a big fan of this truck. This is the first time for me driving a Frontier, and I like it a lot. Seats are super comfortable. I could be in here all day. Do have on-the-fly four-wheel drive. Actually really quick to engage and disengage. That I'm very impressed with. For a big truck, well, I should not, this is like a little bit bigger than the new Ranger. That's kind of what this truck size comparison is. Let's see how this handles a back road. Now onto our bumps. Not bad so far. Wow, really impressive. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.